And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, dark days are ahead for residents of Bangor district in Portland after a massive breakaway left dozens of people marooned.
Kalisha Williams reports on the impact to lives, livelihood and education.
Kanisha is expected to give birth anytime soon, and this is the beginning of her journey. After walking for hours, she's finally here.
Tired and stuff. Feel bad because the road and no vehicle, no car.
This massive breakaway in Bangor district, Portland, that could change her situation drastically. So she and her partner are not taking any chances.
I'm going to take my baby mother out of the community, as you can see. Yeah, I have to take her as she's soon a baby, and you know, it's difficult to catch me up here. So we have no alternative route. I just one route, one way in, one way out, and the road cut off completely.
And so, like Kanisha and Terry, dozens of people have had to travel by foot to leave the community. They told TVJ News that the road collapsed sometime Sunday morning after hours of rainfall.
And we have no alternative. Because he now, so we have to just try to foot them. And right now, the kids them for go to school, no vehicle now can come up, none can go down. So, watch me if I carry them now for go to school.
On top of that, schools like the Fairfield Primary and Infant School were unable to have face-to-face classes on Monday, and so the school administrators had to act quickly.
Why you see some students here or some parents here now? They make arrangement for like them come pick up like them book, textbook and all of that, because them are going to do some online learning and all of that, teaching or communication until things come back to normal. We can't say when.
The fate of large and small-scale farmers also hangs in the balance. Poultry and coffee farmers are among the worst impacted.
You know, there are trucks that come in to buy the coffee, so now that's a big setback for them. And you know, it was raining, and coffee is something that don't stay long on the tree once it is ripe. So you know, that's a big problem here as well.
Right now, my truck park up with market load can't go town. And I'm market people, I have to make my living off of from the road block, I cut off. So right now, we're just there and I do one community benefits same way right now. That's where they're this morning.
Until normality is restored, residents have joined hands and shovels together to clear sections of the road that do not require large equipment. So far, they have cleared debris from 2 land slippages. However, they still need help from the authorities.
We are come from up on the district, clearing up them drain and the blockage coming down to this year. We're going around at the park, we cut off Cannon. So we'll go around this now, we'll cut back the bank and see if we can make a one-way go through that's the community. Because if we sick up that stuff, we don't have an alternative.
And there's no truck that can come in to clear the other side of the road.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.